Hey guys, welcome back to this video. Oh my god, I made a lot of prototypes already. And I'm getting angry and I'm trying to figure out a new video to upload. So this better be the one that I want. This better be the time I post this video to YouTube. Well, by the time you watch it, it's already gonna be on YouTube. But the present time I'm making this video, it's not on YouTube yet. But it will be when you watch it. When you see something live, it does not mean it's just happening directly right now because they didn't post it on YouTube yet. So you can't see it before they post it on YouTube because it's not on YouTube. And if it's not on YouTube, you can't see it. So that's why. Strong words, right? That's what I'm talking about. Oh my. Oh my. Oh. Like one time I watched this live stream, and and it took so long. When I mean long, I meant very long. Like I feel like I've been watching it for like more than an hour, and I just wanted to change it, but I didn't. And then a few hours later, I finally changed it. So that's the thing. I'm not making my videos like. Oh my god. Oh my god. This song always makes me feel better. Like bro, you can hear it, but you can't hear it, but I can. You can't hear it, but I can. You can hear me, but you can't hear the thing. But I can hear, and I can hear myself, and I can hear the browser audio. But I turned off the browser audio and turned on the microphone audio. So if you turn on the browser audio, the you're you're not gonna be able to hear me, but you're gonna be able to hear the game that I'm playing. But if I choose the microphone audio, you guys would be able to hear me, but not the browser audio. So that's how it works. Sort of a cool recorder. I don't want to forget its name. I really don't. This is the best screen recorder I've ever encountered ever. Bro, if you're like using this recorder to make your videos, like bro, if you know the creator, tell him I'm talking about him in the comments if he's watching this video. That was a dumb thing. I still can't beat this dam. I still can't beat this dam in my dam. Oh my god. um. Oh my god. um. I can't. I can't. I can't. I can't. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, I hope you liked it, and bye bye. Sorry this is short, just please watch this video and